All right, we got the old chainsaw, front wheel drive, motor trike, big wheel, whatever we want to call it thing, ready to rock here, huh?
Yeah.
And we got, what happened to the front tire on there, Henry, last time? We just got a new tire on there.
It tore it in half, basically.
Yeah, we wore it right out from too much spinning, right?
Yeah, it's going down the road.
Yeah.
Not good on gravel road.
Yeah, it's front wheel drive. And we got an old McCulloch chainsaw we got on an auction for probably free. And actually have the chainsaw chain actually for the drive chain yet. And to make a sprocket that would actually mesh with that, it's actually a brake rotor I put on the lathe and cut the center out of it. And it just worked out that, with the the air grooves of the wheel, it just kind of meshes and it amazingly gets the job done. And an old bicycle fork and bicycle tire.
And lawnmower tires on the back.
Lawnmower tires. Why don't you show how the brake works, Henry?
It's actually a mechanical pulley system that
Just rubs on the tire, right? Pretty simple.
Oh, it works well. You just want a large area before you're gonna stop it.
Yep, you need a little space to stop, right?
Yeah.
Yep. What happened to this tire? This one seems bent when we drive it.
Well, I think actually, I don't know. I think I ran into one of your oil boxes.
Yeah, so should we give it a little drive around and see if it still works?
Yeah, probably will work. It's just
You jump on there, I'll start it up.
Okay.
Just sit down. Just hold the light open there. Ready?
Yeah.
And lean way back so you do a burnout, all right?
Okay.
Oh man. Should we do a little burnout before we call her good? Better lean back and get a little tire smoke, huh?
Tire has hardly any, whatever it's for.
Jump on there.